All right, guys, this week's gonna be fun because we're talking about what do you got in your garage? Is it fool's gold? Is it really gold? Some of the car values are going down. Did you know that a Bel Air and the Tri-5s have gone down about 18% in 2025? Is your car going up in value or is it going down in value? Are you making emotional decisions about the cars you buy? And right now, you guys, I am bidding on, bring a trailer on a 67 Chevelle that reminds me of my exact car. It's so sweet. It looks just like it. Be a kid again, right? Emotions, but I do have a purpose in this one. You know why? I need to build cool consoles. I needed to build the parts for the 66 and the 67 Chevelles that I only got the 68 through 72 done. So that's my next project. So I got a purpose in getting that one. That's what it's all about, having a good plan, figuring out what you want to do. I got all kinds of cool cars at my other shop that I'm going to show you exactly what I did, where I'm at, what the cost would be, and we're going to be fix it or flip it, right? Sometimes it's better to just let it go. Anyways, this week is going to be really fun. I end every episode with a Bible study. It changed my life, guys. And if you really dig into this stuff, you're going to understand the economics and the dynamics of what you got in your garage. Is it fool's gold or real gold? Let's look at it together. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, this is going to be an exciting episode here at Studio Hotrods this week. I'm actually bidding on a copy of my car. That's a picture I have in my house. And I am not current high bidder, but let me put a bid in. Okay, placing the bid. We're gonna see how long it takes. Bam. There you go. Instant. Congratulations. Is it instant there? Yeah. Wow. Right away. Okay, we are now the high bidder, but let's see if we get it. Now, guys, if you get tied emotionally to a car, you can make really bad choices on how much you pay for it, right? Or what are they really worth? That's what I'm gonna be going through this whole episode, but stick with me for a minute. Let's see if I actually get this car. Oh, I want it so bad, it's so cool. Guys, look at under the hood. It's got a 383 stroker with a 671 blower or something that's similar to it. I didn't read the details. I know what it is, right? Oh boy, I might be out.
He's taking a long time.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
There you go.
Woohoo! Well under budget. Now, we're gonna get to the episode. That's my first car I've ever bought on Bring a Trailer, but let's go and talk about, is it fool's gold in your garage or should you fix it or flip it? Let me show you some of my cars. It's gonna be cool. All right, guys, let's go digging into my little treasure trove, my gold. Is it fool's gold or is it real gold? Now, 69 AMX right here. Look at the slant nose Porsche. 65 convertible Corvette right here. But this one actually is what I think it to be, right? This is the 1963 split window Corvette. Check it out. I bought this under an oak tree, Northern Illinois. It's got an aftermarket chassis already into it. The title's all good to go, and it is a legit 1963 Corvette. These cars, as a resto mod, bring crazy money. You guys, you can look it up. $300,000 can happen all day long, but this car's still gonna take 150 grand to get it there, right? So you could have an amazing car, but you are gonna be working on this for years to have a beautiful, gorgeous 1963 split window Corvette. Fix or flip? That one ain't going nowhere. That is definitely a fix and a build. However, let's talk about some of the other cars I got right around here that I bought with the intention of fixing someday, and I got to tell you, I don't know if it's gonna work out so well. I bought the car right behind me, this 74 Corvette. I actually used to own it. I sold it to a buddy of mine. He kept it for like 12 years, said I'm gonna sell it. I was so excited to potentially buy it back. He actually had a local buyer that was gonna give him good money for the car. He called me up and said, last call, do you want it? And I'm like, that car was beautiful. I was connected to it. So I paid way too much and then I shipped it here. Guess what? This car financially would absolutely bury me. I don't know what he did. The headlights, the components are gone for the headlights. The engine, I'm not quite sure what he's got going on there. The interior looks terrible. He took off my side pipes. This thing was a gorgeous car when it left and it ain't so much anymore. This car, in great condition, is worth 15, 18, maybe 19 grand. On a good day, it would cost me 80 grand, 60 grand, 50 grand. What do you think? Fix it or flip it? I'm letting it go. Yeah, I'm emotionally connected a little bit too, but I can't fix it. Makes no sense. I'm not that in love with the car. My call? Flip it, get it out of here. You want it, give me a call. You like that battery, Murph? Good thing I left it connected. All right, here you are looking at my 1973 Blazer. I love the 1973 Blazer because you could actually take the whole top off. I had one as a kid. You guys seeing a connection here? Had it as a kid, liked it for a reason. I bought this out of Oklahoma. So I was traveling around the country looking for cars and looking for barbecue. Came across this thing, very rural in Oklahoma, and it is pretty much a rust rust-free survivor car. It's a very base build. It's got a stick shift. It's got the small block in it. I was like, wow, what a treasure. I bought it, shipped it home. I've never driven it because it obviously doesn't run and drive the way it sits, but I thought, man, I'm gonna build this someday. This car, again, it's gonna need a full paint job. We're gonna have to go through the engine, the transmission, the interior, and at the end of the day, you might have yourself a $45,000 car. So, fix it or flip it. This car ain't worth putting in the money. So I'm telling you guys, as a shop owner, you're a lot better off sometimes to just get rid of it. Just flip it. So this one is gotta flip it. And I can't fix this. How do you feel good about fixing it? Doesn't make any sense at all. Let's go look at another one. So I always tell people, if you gotta buy a car or gonna get a car, have a purpose. You gotta have a plan when you get the car. I love this 58 Pontiac Chieftain. This thing is so cool. I love the double headlights. It's got the original engine transmission. Now I could see myself actually making this run, clean the fuel out of it and enjoy it. Drum brakes and all, but as far as fixing it, just fix it to run and drive. Cool, I love this car because it's big, it's a tank, it's a complete car. Also, when you're buying a car and looking for a car, make sure it's complete. If somebody says they have every part, know for sure that they don't. It's just the way it is. Here's another example of fix or flip. So this one, I'm not gonna fix it. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna maybe enjoy it. I just love the overall look. Okay, here's the 1969 AMX, right? This thing is a completely rust-free car. Seriously, every part is there. All you gotta do is go through the boxes, right? If you're interested in buying this one, let me know. This for me is definitely not something I wanna fix. A nice AMX with a good drive line and that kind of stuff is easily gonna bring 35 grand, maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit more, maybe 40. But this one is a rock solid car and I bought it just because of that reason. Again, is it gold or fool's gold? This one is available for sale. If you guys are interested, let me know. I will flip this one. Anyways, the point in the whole thing is, what do you got in your garage? What do you got holding? What do you think is gold? Is it fool's gold or is it real gold? Speaking of which, let's talk about what is real gold, which is the Bible study. At the end of every episode, guys know, I always do a Bible study, so let's go there. I was reading in Timothy today, Timothy 6, 1 Timothy 6. It talks about money, and it talks about love, and it talks about God. It's all good stuff. All right, let's get going on with the Bible study. I always say that the Bible study is the best part of each episode, right? And we're talking about the value of cars and talking about money, fool's gold, right? What's really precious. Actually, in the book of Timothy, it kind of talks about that too. So let me share it with you. This is 1 Timothy 6:3. If anyone teaches false doctrines and does not agree with sound instruction of our Lord Jesus Christ and the godly teaching, he is conceited and understands nothing. He has an unhealthy interest in controversies, quarrels about words, results in envy, strife, malicious talk, evil suspicions, and constant friction between men of corrupt mind, who have been robbed of the truth and who think that godliness is just a means to financial gain. Right? Okay, but godliness with contentment is great gain, for we were brought into the world with nothing and we can take nothing out of it. But if we have food and clothing, we will be content with that. People who want to get rich fall into the temptation, the trap of many foolish and harmful desires that plunge themselves into ruin and destruction. For the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. Some people, eager for money, have wandered from their faith and pierced themselves with many griefs or transgressions. Money is going to come and go, right? God has blessed me with being able to share the stories of the cars and build the cars. But at the end of the day, guys, it really, you ain't taking it with you. There ain't no hearse being followed by a Brinks truck, right? Nobody's getting, well, I have heard of people getting buried in their cars. Actually, I've seen people spend way too much money on their cars and get buried in them financially. I'm trying to help you avoid that. Anyways, I'm going to encourage you, if you don't have read the word. It makes a big difference. Even says, the love of money is the root of evil. It's not money that's evil. It's the love of the money. What do you love? Right? Yeah, we love the cars, right? I love the cars. But, I also love Jesus that died for my sins on a cross and made a relationship with us, with God. It just changes everything. The whole dynamics of your world can change when you really pour yourself in a little bit. Get yourself a Bible. If you need one, guys, I always say this, I will send you one. Please reach out to me. I say it humbly. I'm going to ship it to you for free. If you need it, just reach out to us. Get yourself in a Bible study. Talk to your friends about it. Read the word. It's going to change your life. It changed mine, and it could change yours. Be careful what you're keeping in the garage, right? It says in the Bible too, store up your treasures in heaven, right? But on earth, they're just going to rust and moths going to eat it. If it was written in today's terms, it would be rust and mice. I've seen that too. All right, I'll see you next week. It's going to be fun as we go on the adventure, Bible studies, and how we build the cars.